Welcome. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about creating professional mockups in Lucidchart to streamline your design process and bring your ideas to life. To start, let's establish a clear foundation. What is a mockup? A mockup is a static, high-fidelity representation of a product that shows its color schemes, typography, and overall visual style. It's important to understand wireframes versus mockups versus prototypes. While wireframes focus on structure and prototypes focus on function, mockups serve as the visual bridge between the two. There are various types of mockups you can create. Depending on your project, you might focus on mobile apps, desktop websites, or even hardware shells to showcase your software. Why are mockups important? They allow teams to align on visual direction early, saving time and resources by identifying design flaws before any code is ever written. When building your design, keep in mind the key elements of a mockup: consistent typography, a defined color palette, intuitive navigation, and high-fidelity images that represent the final look. Now that we've covered the theory, let's get hands-on. Follow this step-by-step tutorial on how to create a mockup using the powerful tools available in Lucidchart. Start by opening a new Lucidchart document. You can begin with a blank canvas or use one of our pre-built mockup templates to jumpstart your design process. Next, use the UI Shapes library to drag and drop elements like buttons, text fields, and icons. Customize these shapes to match your specific branding and style guidelines. To finish your mockup, add high-resolution images and use layers to organize your elements. This ensures your stakeholders see a polished, professional representation of your vision. With Lucidchart, creating professional mockups is simple and collaborative. Head over to lucidchart.com today and start turning your ideas into visual realities.